Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay bringing you another non-phone data entry work from home job lead. I hope all of you are gearing up to have a fabulous holiday weekend with your family if you are celebrating the July 4th holiday that is coming up in the United States. So we will keep the rest of this week's videos very short, sweet, and to the point. Today's job lead is from the company Soleo Health. Now, they are hiring a data entry clerk to work fully remote, and this is within the United States only. This is a per diem data entry clerk position. Per diem means as needed. This is a temporary position with the possibility of temp to hire. So they are kind of acting like their own staffing agency. They are hiring someone temporarily to get the job done, and if they prove themselves and they like them and they are a good employee when they get in, they can hire them on as a permanent data entry employee. This position is responsible for data entry of patient medical records into their electronic medical record system. So you would have to do patient intake, patient documentation, assigning records to the appropriate staff, and securing records in a timely fashion. You'll be doing data entry of the data provided by the customers or the patients into the electronic medical record system. You'll provide customer service to external and internal customers, resolving any customer request. So you may have to provide the medical records up front to a doctor's office if they have a patient coming in who wants a copy of the medical records. All that is sent electronically through the computer systems these days. You'll retrieve data from the database of the electronic files. You'll provide general clerical assistance to support services. You'll ensure timely acceptance of patient records, and you'll organize office documents such as reports and records. Now, they are looking for someone who has a high school diploma, but no college degree is required. They do want someone who has experience working in a healthcare field, such as home infusion, specialty pharmacy, physician's office, or a dental office. Someone who knows a little bit about billing, CPT codes, ICD-9-10 codes. Someone who can type 45 to 60 words per minute and is great with Microsoft Office and has great attention to detail. Now, the pay for this position is not listed because that is going to be dependent not only on your location, but the experience you bring to the table. And because this is a temporary position, there is no benefit package associated with it. If you get lucky enough to get hired on permanently, I'm sure there would be a benefit package that would be discussed at that time. Two videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.